Harish, and welcome to this tutorial about Git. Today we will be looking into Git branch, and we will be working on our project which we had, um, this Git demo project with Git index.html, and then we will be working on this Git repository. So if you remember, in my last video, we did create a branch, but not directly with branch command. We checked out one hash commit, and then from there we just named that separate branch which was created, and we named it at after the effect. So today we will be working with git branch. So before we go into working with actual command line, so I just want to say that git branches are really awesome, and they give us a chance to safeguard us from doing something which we may regret later on. And suppose in a project I'm working, and I have reached a point where I have a stable branch or stable code, and then I want to try some new functionalities, and I don't want to mess up my code or the state in which I am. So what I can do, I can create a branch out of my current branch, and then I can keep doing different changes on that different state which branch I have created, and then it will be safeguarding my master branch which is going on, and it will not impact any changes will not impact that master. So let's look at what I'm trying to say here. So suppose I have this git master, and I have reached till this version 3. So if I go into git log right now, so git branch which I did command here, it shows that master is my current branch, and with my git log I have reached till version 3, and I have decided that okay, this is a stable state and I don't want to mess up this one. So what I can do, I can create a different branch, and but it is stable state, but still I want to do some more development. So I can do git branch. I can create git branch, and if I do git branch, it will and then we have to give a name, and let's give it new functionality, new func. So with this it will create a new branch. Let's clear it, and if we do git branch, so now it has created a new branch. But one thing you have to remember, whenever I create a git branch, it will not change the branch. It will just create a new branch from my current branch, and this new branch will always be having that latest state of this mass from whichever branch you have created it. So let's go to this new branch. To do that, we can do git checkout new func. So now it's saying that switch to branch new func. So this new function branch which we created, it has all the commits of git master. So it has everything, and it is saying that its master and new function is all both head are at the same position, and version 3 is the latest commit. So let's clear this. So now we have a new function branch. So let's make some new changes here. So I'm going to say that this is my new awesome function, and let's say this is my version 4. I will say 4 of new branch, new func branch. So let's save it, and if I do git status, it will give that I have modified this. So now let's do git add and do git commit and -m, and let's write a message. So let's say version 4 in new func, and let's commit it. So this has been committed, and let's clear it and see once git log. So my new function branch, now the head has moved. So here you don't see master here. Now you see now new function head has been moved, and now it is to version 4 in this new commit which I did. So this is now I can keep going and do more changes on this new function, and it will not have any impact on master. And to see that, let's go and do checkout of git checkout master. So as soon as I do checkout of master, my whole code has been changed, and I am back to version 3, which was in my version 3 git in master. So git log, so still it is at version 3. Now next thing which branches does is it tells us that we can merge things. Now once I'm done with git new function, and I'm ready to merge whatever changes I did into new function into master, what I have to do, that is very simple. I have to do git merge new func. One thing you have to remember that this in git merge you don't do from where to where. It takes that information by default. So since I'm in master, and if I say merge of this new function, I just have to give new function. So now as I was saying, this new function, and now if I merge, it will bring all the changes which I done in new function into master. So let's hit this command. Sorry, spelling mistake. I have to do merge new func. So when I do this, it's saying that it has updated and moved fast forward this index.html and brought all the changes from new function into master. And to confirm that, first thing is here you can see this is new awesome function which I did into my new function branch, and also my git log will show you that now my master has the changes which I did in new function, and both the heads have moved to same commit. Another important command in git which I often do is change the name of branch whatever I have done. So let's change this alternate world name. So in git, as in Linux, we do uh, the name change with -m. It's like moving. So we are moving alternate uh, world. So let's say it is alternate only. So if I do this, it will move that branch, or make the name change. If I do git branch again, so now that alternate world has been renamed to alternate. And another important command, or which you can use, is deleting. So sometimes I create a lot of states of my branch to keep my code safe, and I make many states and then keep creating branches which I don't need. Then what you can do, git branch -d and give the name of that branch, and then it will be deleted and it will be gone forever and you will not be able to use it. So be very careful when you use delete. So it's saying that branch alternate has been deleted, and if I do git branch, so now that alternate has gone, so there is no alternate anymore. So be very careful when you use it. So this is some of git branch functionalities which you have seen now, and git branch is really awesome. And if you want more information, or I would really suggest you go and try out many different commands here and read more about this. So it will give you more hands-on, and I will really suggest that you do some changes and merge branches and bring changes from one branch to another. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.